so dry, so that's why it's so great to see the rain and snow that we have across the state right now. We'll start by zooming into our northeastern plains, getting a nice little dose of rain right now, a little rain snow mix in some spots. Heading towards the high country, we have a good shot of snow. This goes into our front range mountains, parts of the foothills, even a little thunder snow near Telluride right now. So this snow will continue tonight, and because of that, we do have winter weather advisories in place for our northwestern mountains. Could see about 4 to 8 inches by tomorrow morning. Some of that's already piled up. We have some tough driving conditions near the tunnel, so just be careful. And if you're heading down towards Los Animas County, we actually have a winter weather advisory in place through tomorrow morning thanks to the gusty winds and near whiteout conditions. So not a ton of accumulation, but travel if you're heading along I-25 south will be pretty tough in that far southern part of the state. So for our future cats tonight, the snow will continue, but we slowly see it ease on up by tomorrow morning, and most areas should be clear by tomorrow morning, but still possibly a little bit windy. There still could be some lingering snow out there. And then we have clear skies all afternoon, and all the clouds should clear, and it really should be a pretty beautiful day for us, but a little bit cooler temperatures coming our way, and it will be a windy night tonight. Look at Wyoming. Our winds are already gusting about 30 to over 40 miles an hour. And then in our southeastern corner or western corner of the state, you see winds right around 30 miles an hour out at DIA, a bit bumpy with those winds at about 33 miles an hour. We will see those winds pick up in our southeastern corner of the state. So we do have a high wind warning in place through Thursday morning. You can see really the entire southeastern quadrant of the state. Winds could gust up to 60 miles an hour tonight, and that's thanks to a cold front that's working its way through along with its associated low pressure system. So that's why we're so windy, and we have a wind advisory for the western part of the state. Moffett and Rio Blanco counties down to the southwest expires at 8 o'clock for the north, 10 o'clock for the south, and you can still see winds up to 65 miles an hour for the next couple of hours. So just be careful out there. You add in that blowing snow, and it's pretty tough to travel at times. 48 right now in Denver, 45 in Fort Collins. We have the low 40s out on our eastern plains. High country, plenty of 20s out there right now, and a little bit warmer in our northwestern corner tonight. 20 though from our weather watcher Paul Kaplan just northwest of Gunnison, and 48 degrees here downtown. Checking in with our almanac, not too different than yesterday. That cold front and the low pressure system a little bit delayed, so we still got fairly warm today in the upper 50s, but with those winds it certainly still felt a little chilly out there, and you add in those clouds. But tonight it is going to be cold in many areas off to the west. Frisco, Leadville, Gunnison all below 0 tonight. Steamboat and Craig at 2, and then 9 for Del Norte and Alamosa. 21 in Denver and Greeley and Fort Collins. We have the 20s on our far eastern plains. Tomorrow mid to low 40s for the front range and most of the eastern plains, so a lot cooler for us after that cold front. 20s in the high country. Certainly a chilly day as most areas will be below freezing, and for your 5-day forecast, we rebound quickly, although we wish more snow was coming along with that. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s through the weekend.
Yeah, that's kind of spring-like.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Lauren.